Introducing the Cuisinart Single Serve Plus 12-Cup Coffee Maker, the ultimate coffee companion for your everyday needs. With its sleek stainless steel design, this coffee maker offers 3 serving sizes: 6 ounces, 8 ounces, and 10 ounces. Whether you favor a strong brew or a lighter flavor, you can easily adjust your coffee strength to your preference. But that's not all. This coffee maker also comes with a 40 ounces removable water reservoir, complete with a charcoal water filter and a removable drip tray for travel mugs. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly refilling your water tank, and enjoy an energy-saving mode once your brewing cycle is complete. For those who love hosting gatherings or simply enjoy a larger batch of coffee, our carafe brewer can serve up to 12 cups at once. It features a stainless steel handle and body, along with fully automatic features such as a 24-hour brew start, self-clean functionality, adjustable auto-off, and a ready alert system. Convenience is key, and our coffee maker is designed to simplify your morning routine. Our Easy View water window allows you to effortlessly fill your tank, while the Brew Pause feature lets you pour a cup before the entire brew cycle is finished. Plus, rest assured that our coffee maker is BPA-free, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you're located internationally, it may require an adapter or converter for use. We recommend checking compatibility before making your purchase. Upgrade your coffee experience with the Cuisinart Single Serve Plus 12-Cup Coffee Maker. Get yours today and enjoy the rich, gourmet taste you expect from a Cuisinart coffee maker. Cheers to starting your day right. Click the link below to find out more. Short link: https://amzn.to/3umum